स्क्रीन शेयर टा बंद हो गया।
बंद ही जाइए। Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sorry, I can't hear you. GR, CR,
Ma'am,
देखा
bond.
जाओ, देखा जाओ नहीं।
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
देखा
No,
जाओ।
ma'am.
देखा जाऊँ मैम।
देखा जाऊँ मैम, देखा जाऊँ।
देखा नहीं मैम।
Visible मैम।
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Let me check myself.
मैम मैम ऑप्शन लीजिए।
हम अपन आउथरे शेयर कर दें तो।
Yes, I can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Okay.
Now visible, ma'am.
मैम visible.
Yes मैम।
Okay. So, as I have already told you, as we are discussing, so it will reduce the width of the depletion region. So, as the width of the depletion region is reducing, means they are providing some barrier potential or some barrier which will restrict the flow of electron and hole movement. We have discussed earlier. Yes or no? Previous class हम already discussed
Yes,
करते
ma'am.
हैं. The barrier potential create हबो. The barrier will be created. That will जेतबे barrier potential ର width गोटे certain point जाए पहुंची जिवो, then कौन होतला? That will provide restriction to the flow of electrons and holes, isn't it? But here the opposite is happening, isn't it? The width of the depletion region is reducing, hence it will provide less restriction to the flow of electrons and holes. As we are providing the positive potential here and negative here, it will, what will happen? This positive potential will attract the electrons. These electrons will get attracted to the positive potential and holes will get attracted to the negative potential, right? So the electron movement is in this direction from right to left, then the current movement will be in the opposite direction, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. From left to right.
Ma'am.
Right. So this is the current movement. You can say the I movement is in this direction, and this I can write this as what? Current majority. Yes or no? Why I am writing current majority? Because this current is generating for the majority charge carrier movement. Yes or no? You should answer that.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
I say majority is written? Because here the electrons are the majority charge carriers in the n-type material, and because of this majority charge carrier movement, current flow is occurring. That's why you can write down this I. You can denote this I as I majority. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes ma'am।
So as we can all here, we are just providing the diagram for the barrier potential, as we have already discussed, when no external field is applied. Here you can see no external field. I have written here. So no external field, right? This dotted line is denoting no external field. When no external field is applied means no biasing condition, isn't it? No external field means no biasing condition. At no biasing condition, the depletion layer width is this much, isn't it? Let me again redraw this. This one is your width of the depletion region, right? But when you apply some external field, what happens is the width of the depletion layer is reducing, right? The width of the depletion layer is reducing because of recombination occurring. Recombination occurs at this junction, right? So because of the recombination, the width of the depletion layer is reducing. Hence, we can denote the depletion, the width of the depletion layer is this one. You can see here, this much and this much, right? Diagram ta bujhi parcho na bujhi paru na?
Yes, ma'am.
Bujhi parcho?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when no external field is applied, this dotted line was denoting your width of the depletion layer at no biasing condition, and the solid line denotes the external, when the external field is applied, what is the width of the depletion layer. You can see this much is the width of the depletion layer at your forward bias condition, and when no bias condition is there, this one, the outermost line, denotes the width of the depletion layer. Correct? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Yes, I'm clear.
So if you see, this is the three important points you have to remember. The forward voltage causes the depletion region to narrow, right? The electron and holes are pushed towards the p-n junction. The electron and holes have sufficient energy to cross the p-n junction. These three conditions you have to remember. First, you have to write what is forward biasing condition. How will you make this forward biasing condition? First, you have to apply forward biasing condition, or to apply the forward biasing state. What you have to do is, first you have to connect the positive terminal of the battery to p type and negative terminal of the battery to n type. First point. Then the second point is, after application of this positive and negative potential, what will happen? The majority charge carriers in n-type material, that is electron, and the majority charge carriers in the p-type material, that is holes, right? So they will push towards the p-n junction, right? They will move towards the p-n junction. And the third point is, they will recombine with the ions near the boundary, and that will result in reduction of the width of the depletion region. Okay. And the current flow will occur because of this majority charge carrier movement. This much you can write, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ejiba, should I detect it? Detect karibi na nije lekhi dabo.
Detect con.
Got the pic. First point you can write down. First, this definition line, you can take it from here. When external DC voltage is applied, when external DC voltage is applied to the junction, write down. This much you can write down. Forward, what is forward biasing? You can write down, when external DC voltage applied to the junction, when external DC voltage applied to the junction is in such a direction that it cancels the potential barrier, thus permitting current flow. It is called forward biasing. It is called forward biasing. To apply forward bias, second point. To apply forward bias, the positive terminal of the battery, to apply forward bias, the positive terminal of the battery should be connected to the P terminal, of the diode, should be connected to the P terminal of the diode, and the negative terminal of the battery, should be connected to the N terminal of the diode. Should be connected to the N terminal of the diode. The application of forward potential, third point. The application of forward potential, the application of forward potential, the application of forward potential will pressure or that will force, you can write down, will force the electrons, will force the electrons in the N-type material, will force the electrons in the N-type material. In bracket, you can write down majority charge carriers. In bracket, you can write down majority charge carriers. I am repeating from the beginning. The application of a forward potential, the application of a forward potential will force the electrons in the N-type material, that is the majority charge carrier, and holes in the P-type material, to recombine with the ions, near the boundary, to recombine with the ions near the boundary, and reduce the width of the depletion region, and reduce the width of the depletion region, and reduce the width of the depletion region. लिखिदेल समझते ना रही गला घर covered? Okay. This
Yes,
one
ma'am,
is the
covered.
third point. Now the fourth point. Fourth point, write down. The electrons and holes. Now the electrons and holes. Now the electrons and holes have sufficient energy. To cross the PN junction. As the barrier potential is being reduced.
Then
Sorry, outre who kon subilani?
very potential.
I'm repeating. Now the electrons and holes will have sufficient energy to cross the PN junction. As the barrier potential is reduced.
Yes, ma'am.
And the current flow in the circuit will occur due to the movement of the majority charge carriers. And the current flow in the circuit will occur due to the movement of the majority charge carriers. In bracket you can write down I majority. In bracket you can write down that is called I majority. Next point, write down the magnitude of the current. The magnitude of the current will depend. The magnitude of the current will depend upon the applied forward voltage. The magnitude of the current will depend upon the applied forward voltage. Applied forward voltage. केमती एठी देखो तमे जदी एठी पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल टा को सपोज दिस वन इज फर्स्ट 2 वोल्ट प्लस 2 वोल्ट तमे देइछो देन वी आर keep on increasing +2 +3 +4 +5 like that. So this is first it is +2 then +3 then +4 जदी मोटी पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल टा गोटे गोटे स्टेप बढ़ी बढ़ी जिबी. Similarly here it will be -2 -3 -4 like that, right? मोटी 2 वोल्ट बैटरी 3 वोल्ट बैटरी एमती दे दी चलची तो तमर एट कोन जते तमे पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल टा बढ़ी बढ़ी जिवो माने सेफ्टी की फोर्स रे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अट्रैक्ट करिवो, राइट? सो +2 वोल्ट विल अट्रैक्ट सम अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बट +3 विल अट्रैक्ट मोर अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इजंट इट? तमे एठी पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल टा जते बढ़ी बढ़ी जिवो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स द अट्रैक्टेड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी मोर से सेफ्टी की फोर्स रे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अट्रैक्ट. So the amount of current will always increase, isn't it? ठीक है तो?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Right. So that thing is the last point. The magnitude of the current will depend upon the applied forward voltage. Okay. So next we will go for the reverse bias condition. Next is your reverse bias condition. First same thing we will see what is reverse bias condition. You will see to make reverse bias condition what you have to do is the opposite of your forward biasing state. Means for opposite of the forward biasing state means हम कौन करते हैं forward bias condition में P is connected to the in forward bias. Just write it here. In forward bias P terminal is connected to the positive potential and N terminal is connected to the negative potential, right? Same potential connection hotula, right? But in case of reverse biasing, to apply reverse bias, what you have to do, you have to connect the negative terminal to the P terminal, okay, the negative potential to the P terminal and positive potential to the N terminal. Okay, first point is you have to apply negative potential to the P terminal and positive potential to the N terminal, okay, to make reverse biasing condition. Now what will happen is we are providing negative potential here and positive potential here. So here the majority charge carriers are electrons, right, in N-type region, and in P-type region, majority charge carriers are holes. So what will happen? Holes will get attracted to the negative side. Opposite polarity attracts, isn't it? So opposite polarity attract karibo means there are the majority charge carriers are electrons. So the electrons will get attracted towards the positive terminal, and the holes will get attracted towards the negative terminal. Same thing will happen. You can see I have marked here. This diagram, in this diagram you can see these electrons are being attracted towards the positive terminal. Here I'm just marking it more loudly. This is the positive and this side is negative, right? So these electrons are being attracted towards the positive potential, right? So you can see the movement of electrons will be in this direction, right, outside the device, and movement of holes will be in this direction. Means the movement is in opposite direction from the depletion region. From the depletion region point of view, opposite direction the movement habo,
Yes, ma'am.
right? as the holes are being attracted towards this negative potential and electrons are being attracted towards the positive terminal, what will happen? So more number of uncovered ions will be created, isn't it? Free charge carriers
Yes, ma'am.
opposite direction रे attract हो जाउची तो रहिला कोन?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Uncovered
right.
ions. So remaining is your uncovered ions, isn't it? So the uncovered ions will be gathered at the junction. Right. As the majority charge carriers moves in the opposite direction, the free charge carriers are moving in opposite direction. The remaining uncovered ions will gather at the depletion region. Hence, you can say the width of the depletion region will increase. Yes or no?
Increase.
Bujhiparlo? How the width of the
Yes,
depletion
ma'am.
region is
Yes,
increasing?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as the width of the depletion region is increasing, what will happen? It is the electron movement, diffusion रे opposite direction रे flow of electron and flow of holes होची, right? जब diffuse होतिला तार opposite direction रे होची, तो कौन हबो? Electron रो movement जब opposite direction रे होची, ताहले current रो movement केमती हबो? Depletion region रो width is increasing. The width of the depletion region is increasing. As the width of the depletion region will keep on increasing, that will provide more and more resistance to the flow of diffusion. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it will provide, it will create more internal resistance, isn't it? Internal resistance to body chibo.
Yes, ma'am.
So the electron.
Yes, ma'am. Body jibo.
Right. But in this case, you can say the minority. So you can say the current flow in this circuit is not happening. Yes or no? Majority charge carriers by current flow hobo ki a circuit re?
No, ma'am. Only for the minority
Only for
charge
the
carrier.
minority charge carriers it will happen. Why? Because the p-type material will have the minority charge carriers, that is electron, isn't it? In the p-type material, the minority charge carriers are electron, and in the n-type material, the minority charge carriers are holes.
Holes.
As the opposite polarity is here, as the opposite polarity is here. For the electron, the opposite polarity is positive potential, that is here. So the electron, the minority charge carriers will get attracted toward the positive potential, and the minority charge carrier from the n-type material will get attracted towards this P region, right? So the current flow will happen for the minority charge carriers. What direction habo? What direction the current flow habo? P to N or N to P?
Ma'am, P to N.
N to P.
Current flow P to N or N to P?
N to P.
Think about it. Minority charge carriers. Minority charge carriers are electrons in P region, right? They are moving in this direction, right? So current flow will be
Ma'am, then current
N to P.
N to P.
N to P. Okay. So the current flow because of this minority charge carriers occur, and this can be called as the I minority is often called as, you can say the IC minority is also, write down, the IC minority is also called as IS, that is reverse saturation current. That is reverse saturation current. The current flow, you can write down the current that exists in the, here it is already written. The current that exists in reverse bias condition is called as reverse saturation current, or you can say the current due to the minority charge carrier, due to the flow of minority charge carriers is called as your reverse saturation current, and that can be denoted as IS. That can be denoted as IS. So from the very beginning, I am repeating. First of all, what is reverse bias? Okay, first to apply reverse bias, first point is, you can write down. First, you can write down the definition. When external DC voltage is applied to the junction in such a direction that the potential barrier is increased and that is called as your reverse bias. That is called as your reverse biasing. First point you can write down this one from here. From the material you can directly write down. When external DC voltage is applied to the junction in such a direction, in such a way that potential barrier is increased, and that is called as your reverse biasing condition. It is called as your reverse biasing. Okay, what answer hoigala say same thing as we have already discussed earlier. In the forward bias condition ne ame dekhithile kon hotula. First of all, when no external field is applied, when no external field is applied, the barrier potential is in the dotted line. Okay, but when reverse biasing is applied, then what will happen? The depletion region, the width of the depletion region is increasing. The width of the depletion region is increasing. You can see external field. The width of the depletion region is increasing. You can draw these circuits. Okay. The first point I likhi dele you completed. First point complete. Yes or no? Right. So second point you can write down to apply reverse bias. To apply reverse bias. To apply reverse bias. Write down. To apply reverse bias. The negative potential should be connected. The negative potential should be connected to the P terminal. The negative potential should be connected to the P terminal, and the positive potential should be connected to the N terminal of the device. And the positive potential should be connected to the N terminal of the device. I am repeating. To apply reverse biasing, state, or to apply reverse bias. To apply reverse bias, the negative terminal should be connected to the negative potential. The negative potential should be connected to the P terminal, and the positive potential should be connected to the N terminal of the device. Completed? Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Positive
Yes, ma'am.
potential is connected to the
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, complete.
N terminal, and negative potential is connected to the P terminal of the device. Right? That is the second point. Third point. The electrons in N-type material. The electrons in N-type material are attracted towards the positive terminal of the voltage source. The electrons in N-type material are attracted towards the positive terminal of the voltage source. And the holes in the P-type material are attracted towards the negative terminal of the voltage source. Third point. The movement of pre-charge carriers. The movement of pre-charge carriers will result. The movement of pre-charge carriers will result in will results in will results in what? Increment of the
Depletion region.
write down the width of the depletion region. The width of the depletion region. Hence, no current flow will occur. Hence, no current flow will occur in the circuit. Hence, no current flow will occur in the circuit due to high resistance path. Due to high resistance path. Due to high resistance path. High resistance path माने बुझी पालो तो? As the width of the depletion region is increasing, it will provide high resistance at the junction. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hence, the current flow in the circuit will occur due to the minority charge carriers only. Due to the flow of the minority charge carriers only. Hence, the current flow in the circuit will occur. Hence, the current flow in the circuit will occur due to the flow of minority charge carriers only. Due to the flow of minority charge carriers only. And you can write down the last point, the current that exists in reverse bias condition, the current that exists in the reverse bias condition is called reverse saturation current. Reverse saturation current. And that is because of the minority charge carriers. And denoted as IS. And it can be denoted as IS. I subscript S. Okay, please attend your roll call.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, please, can you send the notes also? I mean the slides.
It must slides record open board record. Maybe I will try. Okay, I will try to copy these things and I will send it to you. Okay. I mean,
Yes, ma'am.
screenshot number. Okay. Screenshot number. Jodi, from the beginning I can give you that. You can take the screenshot.
हाँ मैम स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं
नहीं जाओ first. एटा हला पर मते next कहबो. I will click on that one. Okay. Sonal Satpathy.
Yes, ma'am.
Sonal Satpathy.
Ma'am, she can't speak, so in behalf of her, I am like giving a present, ma'am.
Why she can't speak?
Ma'am, she has some oral treatment.
Okay. Om Prakash. Om Prakash Vibhudatta. Absent. Sachidanand Rao.
No, ma'am. Present. Hello.
କୋଉଠି ଥିଲ?
Om Prakash, ma'am. Om Prakash.
ହଁ ଓମ୍ ପ୍ରକାଶ କୋଉଠି ଥିଲ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି ଜାଣି ପାରିଲିନି।
ସଚ୍ଚିଦାନନ୍ଦ ରାଉତ।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sachidananda Raut present.
Okay. Subrat.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Subrat, you were absent for the last 2 classes. Why? Okay. Nikita.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Tapas.
Present, ma'am.
Priti Padmita.
Present, ma'am.
Haris?
Present, ma'am.
Haris, you were absent in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, ଟିକେ ବାହାରେ ଯିବାର ଥିଲା ତ।
Ayush? Ayush Swine? Is he permanent absent or what? Is he attending any other classes or not? Sia?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Sudipta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going for the next one. Okay. See, I haven't explained this one. Okay. I haven't explained this one. You can see the screen. Okay. We have discussed at the no biasing condition, no current is flowing through the diode. Okay, ID is 0, right? Basically, but the diode always conducts, as you know, in the forward bias condition. Forward bias condition means positive terminal is connected to the P type and negative potential is connected to the N terminal, right? Same
Yes.
direction connection achi. So at that time, for the majority charge carriers, current flow is occurring. Even for the minority charge carriers, okay. So current flow is occurring because in the forward biasing condition, in the forward bias condition, current flow is there. That's why you can say the diode will behave as a short circuit. The diode will behave as short circuit, okay. And the ID flow will be there, okay. But in case of reverse bias condition, the P terminal is connected to the negative potential and N terminal is connected to the positive potential. The P terminal is connected to the negative potential and N terminal is connected to the positive potential, opposite polarity. When the opposite polarity is there, what will happen? Current flow is not there, only the reverse
Yes,
saturation
ma'am. There is
current
no
is
current
there.
flow.
Because of the minority charge carriers, there is no current flow, but some amount of leakage current is there. That is reverse saturation current. Minority charge carrier by current flow hobo. That is called as your leakage current. Okay. Because of that thing, you can say the diode can behave as your open circuit. High resistance path provide karuchi. Ha na nahi? Depletion region ro width body jauchi. It is providing high resistance. That's why you can say that the diode behaves as open circuit. Yes or no?
Ma'am.
make a bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Serena,
Present, ma'am.
what is your pronunciation?
Serena.
Sorry, repeat.
Serena.
Serena, okay.
Yeah.
Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
Sriram,
Present, ma'am.
Varun,
Yes, ma'am.
Itza,
Yes, ma'am.
Swagat,
Yes, ma'am.
Santa Kumar Singh, Santa Kumar Singh, Sriram,
Present, ma'am.
okay, next.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm present Swatalin Sila 78. Ma'am, due to network issue, I can't listen when you call.
okay. Okay, is it visible? You can take the screenshot, okay? You can take the screenshot. Asutosh, S. Asutosh,
Present, ma'am.
Surya Pratap, Surya Pratap, Pritish,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Surya Pratap present.
Pritish,
Yes, ma'am.
Animesh,
Present, ma'am.
Priyadarshan,
Present, ma'am.
Priyadarshan,
Present, ma'am.
okay. So Sri Smita Pradhan,
Present, ma'am.
Pratisweta,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul,
Present, ma'am.
Vinayananda, Vinayananda, Mukesh,
Present, ma'am.
Amit, Amit, take the screenshot. Rudra Narayan,
Present, ma'am.
Sweta Parija,
Present, ma'am.
Siddhikanta,
Present,
Chiranjeev, Rautray,
Present, ma'am.
Sangram,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, Sangam Kumar Jha,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Devasis, Devasis,
Yes, ma'am. Present. Yes, ma'am.
this is your first class, Devasis.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I have some medical problem.
Okay, you have to mail me for the same.
Ma'am, I have no your mail ID.
Okay, I will provide my mail ID in the group. Those who have not attended any classes yet, this is your first class. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to give me your medical certificate along with your application.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to mail me that one. Okay. Nishant Kumar
Okay,
Behra.
thank
Present, ma'am.
Sai Saubhagya,
Present, ma'am.
Saswat,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth Das, Soumyaranjan Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Pratik, Sunil Kumar Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Shobhan Kumar Pradhan,